we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two renewed espresso machines, the Philips 3200 series and the Breville Oracle Touch. Both super automatic, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, huge difference in price, right? The Philips is listed at $599, while the Breville, well, it's unavailable right now, but it's usually way pricier, like a significant investment.
Definitely. Okay, so the Philips makes 5 coffee types, including iced coffee, which is cool, and has this LatteGo system for frothing milk. What about the Breville?
The Breville Oracle Touch is all about customization. It has a touch screen and lets you save up to 8 personalized coffee settings. It does espresso, long black, latte, flat white, cappuccino, the works. It's like having a barista in your kitchen, and it even grinds, doses, and tamps the coffee automatically.
Wow, fancy! The Philips uses ceramic grinders that should last for 20,000 cups. How does the Breville handle the grinding?
It has an integrated conical burr grinder. They say it automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. It's all about precision, you know? Optimal water pressure, precise temperature control. They're really going for that third-wave specialty coffee experience.
Okay, so Philips is simpler, focused on ease of use, and a few core options. Breville is about control and customization. What about cleaning? The Philips mentions an easily removable brew group.
The Breville has a self-cleaning steam wand, which is nice, and it comes with a cleaning kit. But with all those automated features and the dual boiler system, there's probably more to maintain overall. Plus, it weighs like 37 pounds. The Philips is only 21.6 pounds.
Okay, that's a big difference. The Philips has a 4.1 rating with 20 reviews, and the Breville only a 2.5 rating with just 2 reviews. And one review mentioned receiving a package with gym weights and a dirty used machine, which is concerning, even for a renewed product.
Yikes! That's definitely not good. Given the price difference and the questionable review, the Philips seems like a much safer bet, especially if you're looking for something simple and reliable. Unless you really want that level of customization and are willing to take the risk with the Breville, if you can even find one.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.